Hey, it's Damien from Marketing Food Online, and in this video, I'm actually going to give you a step-by-step tutorial on how I use Fiverr to create my food packaging logos. Now, I just recently uploaded a video on how to create a food package, but if you're looking for simple logo and you want to even print your own labels, I'm going to show you how we got an amazing, very cool, simple, easy to see, easy to view logo from Fiverr for our food package, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. All right, so I'm going to open up my laptop here. I'm going to walk you through how I was able to get an amazing logo for my packaged food product. And again, this is going to be super, super simple. I'm going to give you a few things and a few tips that you may want to look for when you are finding a designer for your food product logo. And we're going to dive into that right now. So let's get down into our laptop here. So back into Fiverr, you're going to go up to the top here and you're going to type in food logo, okay? Now, the reason why I type in food logo instead of just logo is that there's going to be a bunch of, as you can see here, a bunch of examples of designers who will pop up that specifically work on food logos, okay? So you're going to look through here, you're going to see a bunch of these varieties, but we're going to narrow down the search. I'm going to, my label that I got cost me around $50. So I'm going to actually show you how to do this by budget. This is very similar to the video I posted a little earlier about the package design. You can actually designate a specific dollar amount. So right here, I'm going to put in up to $50. And again, you could type in any dollar amount. If you've got $100 you want to spend on a logo, you can definitely do that. Now, are you going to get a better logo if it's actually more expensive? Not necessarily. And then, of course, that's really an opinion. If you think that you can get a great one for 20 bucks, well, then you can buy one for 20. I spent $50 because I wanted to vet, I wanted to find some better, as far as better designs and portfolios for those people who have made logos that are around $50. And here, I'll show you what I mean. So we typed in the $50. All right, now here are over 1,500. If you look right here, there is 1,500 services up to $50, which is astronomical. That's amazing. So let's scroll down here. So a couple things to look for when you want to get a food package logo is this. Number one, feedback, okay? And this one here has, this guy has 230 feedback, nearly 5 stars. Now, would I choose him over somebody that has maybe 1 or 2 feedback? To be honest with you, yes, I would, only because there are some, believe it or not, there are some of these sellers who may have a few people that they know that may end up actually leaving feedback for them. When you've got 200, 300, or 1,000 feedback and you're around 4.9, 5 stars, that's a lot of people who've actually been satisfied with your work, and I would definitely go with that in that direction. I'd trust them, okay? So let's do this. Let's go over here. And as you look on here, I could show you. Let me just click on some of these. And this is, again, the reason why I typed in food logo, not just logo, okay? Here's a handful of designs. Check out these designs. These are really awesome. Very cool. And you can click through each designer. And right here's the designer's name. You can click through each one of their portfolios to see the different types of designs they work with and how they look. Maybe you have a candy. Maybe you've got something sweet or baked goods, and you want to do vibrant colors, something that'll catch people's attention. So that is definitely something you want to put in here and look for when it comes to finding the right designer. So there's a handful of really good ones. Let me take a look really quick. Let me show you this one. Where is the gentleman I wanted to show you? Right here. Here we go. Okay. So this designer here has all 5-star reviews, over 300 reviews. And here's another thing to look for as well. How many orders do they have already in line before yours says a lot about the good quality work you're going to get. This is 17. So this designer already has nearly 20 orders in line before yours, which is fantastic. Now, this is great because you can actually get a logo from this gentleman starting at $15. It can go up to $40, okay? Now, what's really important too is to look down here and to see what do you get for that dollar amount, okay? You don't get all the features for every single one as it increases, and let me show you. So right here, the source file you don't get. A 3D mockup, which is something you can actually use on Amazon or on listing or on images, you don't get that either. Okay, you don't get the vector file, you don't get the social media. Why is that important? Well, because you're going to end up using a lot of this if you're going to have some professional printer. If you're not going to print your own labels and you're going to have someone print it yourself, or not print it yourself, but have someone do it for you, you're going to want to have the vector file. Now, for $40, which is actually under budget, it's under what I paid for mine, for my logo, for my the nut snack that I've got, it's actually cheaper than that one, and you're going to get everything. This is everything you're getting. So this is a great, fantastic deal. And to be honest with you, the look of these logos is pretty amazing. I love them. Totally full of color and everything. So now, Damien, how do you order them? Okay, so here's what you need to do. When you go through here, you can take a look at what exactly you're buying, okay? 24/7 service available. This gentleman has a quick response, unlimited revisions. So if your revisions are great, it's good to know, because if you don't like the look of something, maybe you want to change the color, you can actually change the color, maybe change a font style, make the logo look different, and making sure that it is exactly as you want it. So you want somebody to allow you to have revisions, okay? Revisions are very important. This gentleman allows you unlimited. He doesn't charge you for extra revisions. That's great, okay? And let's scroll down here. Let me show you a little bit. There it is. Okay, so he actually has over 1,000 reviews, nearly 5 stars. That's pretty impressive. So how do you order it? Okay, so you go through here, and then you select here. Here is where you can order whichever package you want, okay? And you can compare the different services. If we're going to go with this one, you get 2 logo concepts, which is great as well. You're going to get a couple, not just only one, but 2 different concepts from the idea you want to give them. So how do I do that, Damien? So if you were to do this, we get to contact the seller. I always try to, and I always recommend you contact the seller first and let them know the type of logo that you're doing. The reason being is that sometimes designers work with certain niches and certain types of food product labels. So it might be something that's maybe more restaurant oriented. So it's like pizzas and sandwiches or hot dogs. So if you're creating a snack food and they're not really used to making snack food logos, you need to find a different designer, okay? So you want to add in here, here's how we want to do this. Hello, I have a need, oops, here we go, for a snack food logo. Do you make this kind? Thanks. And then from there, once you contact them, they're going to get back with you. And when you place your order, then they're going to ask you for the criteria, as far as they're going to say, well, what kind of colors do you want? What kind of fonts do you want? You want this to be really bright colored, or you want to do something more monochromatic, or you want earth tones, you want browns? They're going to ask you, and you're going to go back and forth and explain to them exactly what you want. But what's really important is having an artist like this who has revisions available. That's actually going to allow you the opportunity to revise it to make sure you're getting exactly what it is that you're looking for, okay? So these are a few tips on getting an amazing logo. And before you do anything now, you can also go to what they have here is their Fiverr Pro. If you have a little bit more in your budget and you want to go to a designer, let me show you this. A designer, it might be a little more expensive. These are professional graphic artists. They actually get vetted. Fiverr looks at their portfolio, they look at their websites, their history of business, how long they've been in business, the different types of clients. So if you're looking for something that's a step up, and I'll have a link down below also in the description for the Fiverr Pro version. You can get a basic logo. I'll have some links in the description for you as well. You can simply click on those. And then from there, you can choose if you want to go a little higher up. Some of these are $500 to $1,000, $800 or more. And what you're going to get is a designer who has been vetted, okay? And that's a really good thing, but you don't necessarily have to go that route. If you don't want to spend that much on a logo, you can definitely get one for $40 or even $50. So if this was helpful, as always, please do give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on our next video. If this is your first video for Marketing Food Online, definitely hit the subscribe button and check out our 800 plus videos and tons of other free resources at marketingfoodonline.com. That is our website, and that is always up, and it's got all kinds of free information. No sign up or no subscription needed for that. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching Marketing Food Online. And if you are looking to create your own food truck, start a home-based food business under the cottage food law, franchise a food operation, start a packaged food business, private label your own food product, sell on Amazon, get your own online store, or sell food online, remember to subscribe and check out these videos for more resources. Take care.